Hello friends and welcome to this video, in which we will take a brief overview of Marg HRXpert Payroll Software. Marg has developed an advanced payroll software, HRXpert, to fulfill the requirements of any user. Now let's take an overview of the software. So, this is the home screen of Marg HRXpert software, where first we see the menu bar, and at the right hand side, we see shortcut buttons, which can be changed according to our requirement. We can also change the background image accordingly. Marg HRXpert software comes with the following modules: Masters, Data Entry, Reports, and Employee Self-Service. Firstly, let's go through the Masters part, where we will first take a look at the Company Master. Through Company Master, we can fill all the details of our company, such as company name, address, license number, etc. We can fill our company miscellaneous details, such as company logo, weekly off, etc. Next, let's take a look at Employee Master. In Employee Master option, we can fill the personal details of our employees, such as employee name, correspondence address, permanent address, etc. Next option under Employee Master is Employee Organizational Details. We can feed the details of employee joining, department, designation, etc. We can properly maintain the documentation of employees, fill their salary structure details, and easily define their leaves. In HRXpert, we can define compliances like Basic, HRA, Provident Fund, ESI, etc. So friends, in this way we took a look at the Masters part. Now let's move on to the Data Entry part. By using this Data Entry option, we can maintain attendance in 4 types, such as through the biometric machine, through Excel, through muster roll, and through manual attendance. Now let's take a look at the salary calculation process. As you can see on your screen, this is the salary calculation details which is generated through Marg HRXpert software. We can give overtime to employees in overtime entry option. We can easily manage multiple shifts of employees. We can create 6 shifts in this software, like day shift, night shift, evening shift, etc. At the end, you can view employee shifts reports and take a quick view and check that which employee is working in which shift on which day. There is a complete process for reimbursement in HRXpert. Reimbursement is a method for paying employees back when they spend their own money on business-related expenses. These expenses generally occur when an employee is traveling for business, but it can also occur in other work-related situations. In reimbursement setup of the software, we create the expenses heads which our employees incur in business-related work, like medical expenses, traveling expenses, meals, etc. We can also generate and view reimbursement reports and slips from Marg HRXpert software. There is also a feature of bonus management in Marg HRXpert software. Like many companies give festival bonus, full attendance bonus, etc. We can do such a bonus setup from bonus setup option. Marg HRXpert software also manages employees' increment and arrear process. When the salary of employees is revised to higher salary annually or periodically, then that is known as increment. We can do employee increment entry from increment option of the software. Arrear automatically gets calculated. Like for example, if we have revised the salary of an employee on 1st January, but we have set the date of the payment of revised salary after 4 months, means the salary of an employee has been revised in January, but it will be effective from April. So the incremented amount from January to April means the arrear amount will automatically get calculated by HRXpert software. We can also view arrear reports and also view and print arrear slip. Now let's move on to the next module, that is the reports part. In Marg HRXpert software, reports are maintained in two ways. First is in the form of crystal report. For example, salary slip, salary sheet, etc. And second is in the form of Excel report. This is the salary slip which is generated through Marg HRXpert software. And this is the salary register. In Marg HRXpert software, we can generate bank transfer sheet which we can provide to the bank for transferring salary. We can also generate Provident Fund ECR and generate monthly return of ESIC. Tax projection details of every employee is auto-calculated. We can also generate ETDS return, Form 16 and computation of income tax. In Marg HRXpert software, there are some HRD modules through which we can generate application process for our employees. We can generate offer letter, appointment letter, confirmation letter, promotion letter, relieving letter and experience letter. There are some utilities in Marg HRXpert software, such as loan and advances, through which we can maintain loan and advances. HRXpert makes employee asset management easier than ever, like mobile, laptop, etc. Through this software, we can import employee master, send SMS to employees, send them SMS before finalizing their salary and attendance, send their salary slip onto their mail ID, do CTC breakup, send our employees' birthday and anniversary wishes onto their mail ID, set user level boundation. We can use this option for multiple users. Like, if we have multiple users and multiple systems in our HR department, then we can set different powers for different operators. Like suppose, one user is assigned to do only data entry work and the second user is only assigned to see the reports. Through HRXpert, we can easily do the full and final settlement of an employee before they leave the organization. We can set notifications and self-defined notifications, like birthday notifications, marriage anniversary of employees, etc. There is also a module of employee self-service in Marg HRXpert software, through which employees and managers can have access to a user-friendly portal. Through ESS panel, employees can apply for leaves, view salary slip and attendance, submit loan and advance request, etc. And managers can approve or decline leaves, view their team attendance chart, view real-time reports, etc. Through a single click, we can upload our payroll data to ESS portal. All employees created in payroll software will get individual username and software-generated password on their email ID. ESS reduces the communication gap between employees, managers, and HR. So friends, this was a basic overview of Marg HRXpert software. Thank you.